Okay, so the other day I decided I was going to behead my Black Knight, and I did. I beheaded him. I videoed it. I was gonna, share it with you guys, but unfortunately my phone decided that it wanted to just freak out on me and just stop working. I've been having some memory issues. I don't know what's up with it. So I lost that video, but I did behead my Black Prince. I finally took the flower stalk off of him. That took forever. And I wanted to share with you guys and let you know that I did decide to behead him. And I wanted to show you, and I know I'm not supposed to move him around too much once I chop him, but I wanted to show you that he actually had a little baby already on the side. So I have great hopes that, and he has a little baby on the side there as well. So I have really great hopes that he'll have a bunch growing on the stem. I just put him in dry soil, and I wanted to show you while I had you. Mia, she always wants to be outside. Hey Mia, say hi. She's silly. I wanted to show you the leaves. Let me just show you my propagation trays while I'm at it. This is probably about a week since the last time I've shown you, and everything's doing pretty well for the most part. But did want to show you the. Hold on, I'm gonna pause this for a second because I'm afraid that I'm gonna drop this tray, or maybe let me try and be brave. Nope, not gonna do it. Hold on one second, be right back. Alright, so I just wanted to show you the Black Prince, the propagation leaves, how well they're doing. I have a bunch of them. They're doing well. I really need to learn how to not put my hand in the frame. Let's see if I can get a good one. Look at that. Wait, let me swap hands. That. This is about a week since the last time I showed you guys, so they've grown quite a bit. And this was from the stem of the flower stalk. This very flower stalk. So it had leaves all along this stem, and I plucked them all. And then I also have, where is it? I have the, okay, let me just keep showing you because I have a bunch of them. Right there, right here, here, there. Bunch of them. See there, there. Those are all Black Princes. That's not a Black Prince. This is just some stuff I've been propagating, and I thought this was so cool. This little guy here, where'd he go? He has a pink flower on his tip. This one right here, look how cute. Look at that. Isn't that precious? Is adorable. Alright, and then I have some other little leaves there. That's another Black Prince right there. And let me show you some other. While I have you, might as well just show you the rest of the propagation stuff. Mia's just waiting there patiently to go out again. She just wants to run and chase the lizards. So a lot of the stuff is doing really well. It's probably ready to go into little pots like this guy. Look at this guy. I think he's a double head there. He's doing really well. And I took a video of all of this the other day, and I just lost all of my video. It's really frustrating when stuff like that happens. But, you know, it happens. These guys are probably ready to go. Look at this. This one right here. Where is he? Right there. Cuties. Alright. Probably going too fast. Sorry. I'm trying to show you everything I can really quickly. And let me turn over here just a moment. Alright, so I wanted to show you the Fred Ives that I've been propagating. This is probably 2.5 weeks now, and it's doing really well. So I'm excited to see that. Just watered them a little bit today. And I don't put much water, but they look kind of dry today, so I did spritz them. And cut my finger. What else did I want to show you? This is just a hot mess here. This is like some of the flowers that I pulled from to do my little project. So it's a hot mess, I will not lie. But I'm gonna be repotting some of these things, and you know, I have some propagation stuff, and I need to get it together. It's just that school started again, so I've been a little bit, you know, trying to get everything done, and not enough time in a day, as you all know. Alright, well, just wanted to give you a quick update on my Black Prince and let you know what was going on with him. So in this tray, a lot of the stuff is ready to be potted up as well. So I want to, you know, I want to get ready to do that. So maybe I'll, maybe tomorrow or the weekend, I'll pot some of these up. Because they're outgrowing, you know, their leaf. So they're begging to be potted. Look at this guy. This one here. It's like a twin. Yeah, his leaf is ready to come off. Look at that. Some of them didn't make it. I don't have that much luck with these thinner leaf ones. They usually dry out or just get all soggy like that and yucky. Then I have quite a bit of growth in this tray. So these guys are really needing to be potted up. Let me put this on the table. Hold on. Let me pause for a second. Alright, so I moved it to the table. Again, I have some that kind of shriveled up. Like, why is it so difficult to point to where I'm... Like that leaf shriveled up. But I don't know if I propagated and the leaf just shriveled up. But some of these guys are big already and they need to be potted up. Don't mind my weed mess there. I was pulling weeds and... I have a ton of tiny little ones here. For some reason, these little ones take much longer for me to propagate. But I have a ton of babies. It's so nice. This guy's huge. Where is he? This guy's big. Where's the other one? These guys are big. I really should label what they are, but I put a bunch of different ones together, so I have no idea what one is and the other is. Alright, so I just want to give a quick update on my propagation trays. I videoed a little bit last week, but I never got to post it, and then this is about a week later. And these are my Black Prince propagations from the bloom stalk. I have a bunch of them. I just lined these 4 up together right now. But I have those 4. I have those. And they're all doing really well. So I think I'm going to put them all in a pot next week. Just put them all together and see what happens. Because I have a bunch of stuff that's been propagating really well. And I don't water this tray too much. And since now they're getting a little bigger and the leaves are kind of getting dried and shriveled, I don't want them to wind up drying up and dying. You see, like this leaf here, it looks like it's already good to take off. And I don't want to let these little guys just dry up and shrivel after they've progressed so nicely. And I'll show you some other stuff I have over here. Fred Ives has really done really well, the propagation. It's gotten so big. I'll let it get a little bigger and then I'll pot that up as well. Once again, thanks for watching, commenting, liking, and subscribing. I appreciate you joining in my obsession. Till next time.